Alright, we're back at our update on lot 20. We're going to do a series of updates on this project here. This is going to be one of the model homes for the Palms. I just kind of want to show you what we got going on here. They're going to have like a little carport area that goes back into the garage, which is very cool. I think it's a very neat idea, and it's an idea that they don't do a lot of anymore. But then you go right into the garage there. I don't know if you guys notice all these holes. Like I showed you guys before with the rebar, they put the concrete block over the rebar. And if you notice inside the holes, then they shove a piece of rebar down through there and tie it together. Well, everywhere those holes are, they're going to fill from the bottom down up. So this is basically part of the slab. Then they put these pieces of wood over it, and when they pour the concrete, it doesn't come out. So then after concrete's dry, they'll pull the wood off, and the inspector can inspect it properly and see that the concrete's there and all that fun stuff. But look at this place. This was nothing, just sand here not too long ago. And this is a big house. This is going to be right at 200,000, or at 2,000 square feet, not 200,000, 2,000 square feet. And it's going to be really nice. It's going to be your back porch or lanai area. You'll be able to look out on the pond. Like I said before, keep in mind a lot of these lots are so deep that you can easily get a pool in. But just want to give you guys this update. Beautiful home. It's going to be really moving here soon. They'll fill the areas with concrete, and then they'll put the trusses in, and that'll be an exciting day also, because then the roof's going to be coming on. And we'll update you guys then.